Hey, it's Gail from Gail's Garden. Today we're going to do a pepper garden tour. And today is June 14th, 2020. Let's take a look and see what we've got growing. Here we go with our peppers. We have a super heavyweight hybrid. One of the few hybrids that I'm growing. And I did plant it from seed like all my peppers. This one is supposed to have huge bell peppers, so I'm looking forward to that. Here in my backyard we have just a little Buena Mulata along with some holy basil. So I'm hoping the one I have out front, which you'll see shortly, that one has a lot of nice fruit on it. Let's take a look at the peppers that I have growing in my side yard. Okay, I have 2 peppers in this 5-gallon container. This one on the left are seeds that I grew from a grocery store pepper. Let me see, this one is supposed to be an orange. I got an orange pepper at a grocery store and I love the taste so much that I said, what the heck, let's plant some seeds from it. Undoubtedly, who knows what I'm going to get, because it was undoubtedly a hybrid, but looking forward to my grocery store orange. Next to it I have a pepper called Bill's Striped. It's supposed to be kind of like a Marconi pepper, I think, and it struggled a bit, but it's starting to come back. No peppers on it yet though, and I don't think I even have any blossoms. Okay, here we have a combination of the, the NuMex Suave, which is a no heat jalapeno, and next to it is a Bolivian Rainbow, which has all kinds of colorful peppers on it. More ornamental rather than edible, but it certainly is edible. I do believe I see the first blossoms on it. No blossoms yet on my NuMex, but looking forward to getting the peppers off of this one. Right next to it I have my tricked yew. So this is one of like 3 or 4 tricked yews. This is a jalapeno which has no heat that I'm growing in honor of my husband, who really can't handle hot foods anymore. So this one's kind of tiny. I did top it shortly a little while ago, so it's starting to come back a little bit better now. Okay, here's another grocery store orange, and this one is a little bit smaller than the other one, but it looks a bit bushier. And right next to it is Thunder Mountain. This is a hot pepper, and it was really struggling a little while ago, but I did give it a little bit of a topping, and although it still looks like it's struggling a little bit, some of the leaves are okay, and I'm hoping that whatever I did to stress it, I have de-stressed it a little bit. So Thunder Mountain, and this is a hot pepper. It's a Cayenne type, and it's supposed to have long peppers. Here is one of my larger tricked yews. I think I see a little tiny pepper that may have been forming on it, and let's see, we can see it. Here's a little tiny pepper. So looking forward to getting some fruit off of this one. Right next to it in another container, which is a 3-gallon container this time, I have sweet banana peppers, and so I have a few on the plant already. It's not producing as well as the one I have out front, but you'll see that one when I get to it. Okay, here are 3 Cascabela plants. This is a hot pepper, and I just transplanted them yesterday. Also in the container with them, I have some holy basil, so I'm hoping to use that for pollinators. Okay, here is my side yard, so let's go ahead and take a look at what I have in the front yard. Well, it's kind of windy out here in front, but as you can see, this is my sweet banana, and I have a bunch of peppers on it. I even harvested one off of it the other day, and I think I'm going to wait a little bit before I harvest some more, because it wasn't as sweet as I would have liked it, but there's plenty more to try. This is a Buena Mulata. I have one in my backyard garden that is just a baby, but as you can see, this one is loaded. I've already harvested some off of it, and it's mildly hot at this point. Sorry for the wind. But I think that if I let it go a little bit longer, the peppers, they'll be a little spicier. Right next to Buena Mulata in its own little container, I have purple jalapeno. I did harvest one of these already, and it wasn't as hot as I would have liked it. So I'm going to leave them on the plant a little bit longer before I try them again, because I like my jalapenos a little bit on the spicy side. So that is purple jalapeno. It is a no-name pepper. I am not sure what this one is, but my guess is it's one of the grocery store ones. I don't know if this one's going to be a red or an orange, but that's half the fun of it. We'll see what happens. This one is Guiseppi, and this it's supposed to be a sweet frying type pepper, but also good for fresh eating. So this one was beautiful up until about a few weeks ago, and then it kind of crashed a little bit. It is recovering, but I'm looking forward to getting some of the peppers off of this one when they get ripe enough. So thank you for joining me on my pepper garden tour. If you have enjoyed it, thumbs up, like and subscribe. This is Gail signing out for the day, and I'll see you again in a few weeks. Bye.